Hello friends, welcome to Learn Application of Liberty Career Academy. Chapter 8 Natural Resources. Natural. Natural. Natural means available from nature. All resources basically we are getting from nature. Resources. Resources means the thing by which human can fulfill his own requirement. From nature we are getting two things in abundance, that is air, sunlight. This is available everywhere in the world, no restriction, nothing. Air, without air, no life. Sunlight, sometimes we feel it is a non-comfortable and sometimes it is essential. Country like Canada or Greenland, they are always require the sunlight. Why? Because temperature is too low. Same time, India, we are just fed up due to sunlight. Why? Because temperature is become too high. Resources and type of resources. In resource there is a two type. First, non-renewable. Second, renewable. Renewable means which we are getting again and again after using. So we are never worry about this. That type of resources are sunlight, air, water. These are the renewable. Non-renewable. Non-renewable means after using once, we require huge time to get it back from the earth. There is a different type of non-renewable resources based on their availability. First, universal available means all different type of gases from the nature which is available mostly everywhere. General available, that is a land, soil, water. Rare available means available only in the few part of the world. Coal, petroleum. Petroleum, we all are aware that petroleum maximum available from Arabian, Middle East country, second few part of the America, few Russia, but yes, India is always in the scarcity of petroleum. Coal, yes, then and then somewhat coal is available to India, then and then we are importing this. Last, solitary. Cryolite, it is available only in the world part of the world. There is a Greenland. For different activity, human require soil. Without soil, there is no activity is possible. So, in India, we have a total 8 type of soil. This type is decided on the basis of its textures, color and what is the use. Why we have to learn this? According to the availability of resource, we have to do the planning, and from that planning we generally understood how to use it and what we can carry to our next generation. Because without resource, yes, next generation cannot do anything. So planning, conservation is all required for resources. India, for India, India is an agrarian country. Agrarian means maximum people are depend on agriculture. Why? Okay, yes, India have a very good amount of alluvial soil. Alluvial soil which is good for this agriculture activity. Second, red, black, laterite, desert, mountain, forest and marshy or pretty soil. Alluvial soil. It is the most fertile soil of all the soil. Total available of soil, 43% of land area is covered by this. As you learn in standard 9th, our delta region of Ganga river and Yamuna, it is the most fertile plain of India. So maximum this type of soil is found in UP, Bihar, some part of Punjab, Punjab have a 5 group of 5 rivers, so that part, and in south, again south we have also found the delta, but it is a very lesser or smaller than the northern part. Second, red soil. Red soil color is red. Why? Okay, yes, amount of ferrous oxide is 2 and color of ferrous oxide is red. So this color is also have a red color. Out of total area of land, 19% area is covered with red soil. Lime, gravel, carbonate are absent in this type of soil. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Bundelkhand, Rajbahar Hills, Kutch, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, etc. Crop like millet, cotton, jowar are grow here highest. So second, this red soil means they have a huge amount of ferrous. So some part is also known as a good mines. Enough. આટલું રાખીએ આજે.